Hello, I've shown you how to fold a nappy, a pre-fold nappy for a girl before. This time I'm going to show you how to do it for a boy. So here is our pre-fold nappy. As you can see, it's got a thicker central panel and we're going to make use of that. What you first need to do is make the nappy the right length. So you either fold down the top quarter or you fold down the top third to make the nappy as long as you need it to be. You can see now we've got a thicker part at the top here, thinner part at the bottom, which is going to be the back of the nappy. Fold the sides into the middle like so, and they can overlap. So now you have a much thicker pad all the way down the middle and the front of the nappy. The back of the nappy is a lot thinner. Let's turn that over, and I'm just going to turn it around this way. So now here, this is the back of the nappy. The thicker part is in the middle and to the front. Here is your nappy cover or wrap. The back is very stretchy and this one fastens with Velcro, so here are the Velcro tabs either side. And the front of the nappy, nice wide band of Velcro to fasten it with. So lay your pre-fold nappy on the top, tuck it in at the back. We don't want anything to stick out. Make sure it's tucked in at the sides. Again, we don't want anything to stick out. And at the front, if you need to, you can pop it under the little flap, if you see there, just to hold it in place. On top of that, you can either put a cellulose, also known as a paper liner. That's basically a poo catcher. That can go on the top, or you can use a nice soft fleece liner. Again, this is a poo catcher, but it's also like a stay dry layer. Otherwise, it would feel very wet as soon as baby weed. So you just make sure that's tucked in all around, and you can see at the front it's laying on top of that flap just to keep baby comfortable. And then you would put that on your baby so the sides come into the middle to make a nice cup shape. Pull it up between the legs. This goes over the top of the thighs, and your side tabs you pull up and then across. It's a bit difficult to show you without actually having a baby here. Like so. So then when your nappy is all done, you can see there's nothing sticking out around the legs here or here. Nothing sticking out the top. Oops, that shouldn't be like that. And nothing sticking out at the back either. So everything is contained and nice and comfortable. When it comes to changing the nappy, because this is a two-part system, you don't always have to change the outer waterproof cover. So you can just get away with putting a new pre-fold nappy and a fleece liner or a paper liner inside. Well, I hope that's been useful for you. Do subscribe if you haven't already to our YouTube channel, and look out for the next Nappy Natter video.